Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Welcome to my class and this is my introduction. I am Deepa Barua and nice to meet you all. Look this picture. What is it? We see some seeds. Have you ever wanted to know how does the plant grow or how can we get plant from seeds? Today I am going to discuss about this topic. That means, can you guess what will be the today's topic? Let's see. Today's topic is plants from seeds. Here are the learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain how can we get plants from seeds. Now I am telling, look in this picture, we see some seeds and this boy is sowing seeds in the ground. So what should we do? At first we take seeds of the plant we would like to grow and put them in a plate in the ground. Then water. We must give some water on it. The seeds must be covered with soil. They have to be watered regularly to help them grow into new plants. Then roots. Look in this picture, a baby plant growing. So as the baby plant grows, the outer hard shell of the seed becomes soft and roots emerge from the seed. Then stem. So the stem grows out of the seed and we can see the young plant coming out of the ground. Look, this picture, a young plant coming out. Now comes leaf. As the stem grows, we can see many leaves emerging on the plant. But small buds also appear on the plant. These buds open up and become flowers. Oh, it's a flower plant. Now, small buds also appear on the plant. These buds open up and become flowers. And as the flowers grow, that means when the flowers grow, they are pollinated and become fruits. And seeds again. In these fruits, we can find the seeds of these plants. These seeds have a baby plant in it. So, dear students, we have learned how can get plants from seeds, right? Now we should plant a tree in our home. So the question is how to plant a tree in our home. Look this picture. We see there are 6 steps for planting a tree. Now I am discussing how can you plant a tree in your home. At first we see a flower pot. That means get the flower pot and then put soil in the flower pot. And third step, put seeds in the flower pot with soil. And fourth step, water. That means water the seeds. And fifth, put the flower pot in the sunlight. Then we getting a flower plant. Here's the moral, we should plantation more and more trees. Here's the project work for you. Let's plant a seed. Look, they are planting a tree. So dear students, thanks for watching my video. Thanks to all. Stay safe. Bye-bye.